एक ब्रेक कवरेज के बाद फिर हाजिर होंगे।
With all the health and safety concerns that COVID-19 has brought to the fore, it has also been a year of realization that even in adversity, there is hope. Even as millions battle the virus, even as the economy battles recovery, even as social distancing keeps us apart, all is not lost. Hope is certainly not lost. So how can we help out? How can we contribute towards the health of the underprivileged? How can we address the concerns of hygiene? How can we make efforts to ensure that our farmers reap the dividends in our path to recovery? These are some of the questions we want to address together with every citizen of India on Maggi Desh Ke Liye 2 Minute Ek Chhoti Si Koshish. It's an initiative by Nestle in association with Network 18.
नमस्ते दादी, कैसी हो?
हाँ ठीक ही हूँ।
आज तो एकदम फ्रेश सब्जी मिली है। और घर में सब ठीक?
आप जैसे लोग हैं ना मदद करने के लिए।
कुछ और चाहिए तो बताना। चलिए।
सुनो, पैसे कितने हुए?
अरे दादी, हम तो आपके बच्चे हैं। अच्छा, चलता हूँ दादी।
जब किसी और की जिंदगी को छू जाएंगी, तेरी अच्छाइयाँ दूर तक जाएंगी।
अरे हम भी तो आपके बच्चे हैं ना।
तेरी अच्छाइयाँ दूर तक।
जब आप 2 मिनट ठहर कर किसी के लिए कुछ करते हैं तो देश की उम्मीदों में नए रंग भरते हैं। आइए आप भी अपनी तरह से दीजिए 2 मिनट देश के लिए।
I think we have taken the view of what a banyan tree does to the ground below, that we try and protect as much of the ecosystem as we can. It is as the theme for Desh Ke Liye 2 Minute from Maggi is, it is a Chhoti Si Koshish, but I think this Chhoti Si Koshish is important zakah at this time by every single corporate entity, however big or small. It is this Chhoti Koshish that adds up to a big difference.